welcome back to Planet English Course Alpha and Omega channel. Now I'm gonna teach you about a particular verb, wish. Let's say I wish I could speak English fluently. Do you understand about the word wish? I mean the fact what I've told you just now. If you're so curious, please stay with me and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, because this video is very important. Check it out. Hi, welcome back. I'm Tony Papanis today. Now I'm gonna teach you about subjunctive wish. What's the meaning of wish? Is that similar to the hope, the word hope? Now I'm gonna teach you about the difference. Before I teach you about the particular pattern in terms of wish, you know, wish is something that is not true. Look at that. In other words, it cannot happen. Oh my goodness, it cannot happen. So what about hope? Hope is something that happens one day. So this is different story. But let me invite you to pay attention to study in terms of wish. How to construct, how to make the sentences by using wish. Okay, English learners, please focus on this lesson, because this is sometimes, not sometimes, absolutely tested by the test giver. Right? Wish can be divided into three types. First, future wish. Present wish. And the last is past wish. Remember, three types of subjunctive wish regarding the patterns. Okay? Future wish, present wish, and past wish. Now I'm gonna teach you about one by one of patterns, future, present, past wish. Now let's have a look. Number one, this is number 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Subject plus wish plus that. That can be optional. Okay? You write, it's okay. You don't write that, it's okay. But for the test, it should be good. Subject plus wish plus that plus subject. Okay, the second subject plus could. It could be could, would, and the last is using to be word. Okay. So what about was? Was. Never. We never use was for this pattern. I think it's similar to conditional type 3. Type 2, I mean, right? Okay. Could must be followed by verb 1, and where can be followed by adjective, noun, or adjective, or verb 1 plus ing form. Right? So let me show you the examples of the sentences, okay, related to this pattern. Number 1. I wish that I could speak English fluently. Okay. If you're talking about these sentence I mean, this is not the reality. This is imagination sentence. So what about the fact, the reality? Now, let me show you the reality. The reality is I cannot speak English fluently. This is the fact. This is the reality. Reality. I can say that. Okay? So now the second example. Let me show you. Okay, they wish, okay, that, okay, I would, okay, stop teaching English. Oh my goodness. They wish that I would stop teaching English. Okay? You know what that means? That's imagination. So what's the fact? The reality of this sentence. They wish that I would, the subject can be different, can be same. Okay, it depends on you making the sentences of construct the sense of wish, subjunctive wish. They wish that I would stop teaching English. Okay. The reality, the fact is, okay, I will not stop teaching English. I will not stop teaching English. Remember that. What about the last? Okay, I wish that she were, okay, she were here. Okay, she were here soon. Okay, so what about the fact? The fact is she is not here. She will not hear. I can say that. She is not here. This one, right? Okay, this is sentences, okay, according to this pattern. If you want to construct, if you want to make the sentence, remember this pattern for future wish. Okay, so now let's keep going to understand about the second wish, present wish. Okay, right, let me erase it. Number 2 is gonna be the pattern, I mean, right? Subject plus wish plus, okay, plus that plus subject plus, look at that, verb 2 or past tense. Okay. Okay. Now let's have a look at the examples. I wish that I work, okay, in the UK. I wish that I work in the UK. So what's the reality? As I told you just now, that this is imagination, imaginary. Fact, look at that. I don't, okay, I don't work in the UK. The second example, they wish that, okay, I wrote a letter to my friends. They wish that I wrote a letter to my friends. So what about the reality? We're back to the reality of this sentence. Fact or reality, I don't, or I don't write a letter to my friends. Is it right? Okay, jadi mundur ke belakang, ya. Tensesnya mundur to make the sentence and the reality. Okay, I think you have a good understanding about this, and I'd like to invite you to pay attention to past. Okay. So what about past? Number 3. Past wish. Subject plus, look at that, wish plus that plus subject plus, okay, had verb plus verb 3. Had plus verb 3. If I mention this tense, okay, is past perfect. This is past perfect. Okay, now let's keep making the sentences regarding this pattern. Example number 1, I wish, look at that, I wish that I had, okay, I had spoken, okay, English. I wish that I had spoken English fluently. Okay. So what about the fact? Okay, fact. We go to the fact. The fact is I didn't what? Speak English fluently. I wish that I had spoken English fluently, and the fact I didn't speak. This is the reality sentence. This is imagination. Imaginary. The last example. She wishes that, okay, they had been tired, okay, there. What about the fact is a fact, okay, they were not tired. Fresh. They were fresh, I can do that, you see. They were not tired. This is the reality of the fact of this sentence. So the English learners, to construct of the sentences, okay, whether future wish, present wish, and past wish, just remember about the patterns. Okay, and I believe you are good enough to understand this by looking at my explanations. So please keep practicing. If you have any questions atau ada soal mengenai wish, ini subjunctive wish, not subjunctive mood, please make a comment, okay? Atau berikan masukan atau saran, kritik, no problem. Okay? I believe you will be much more better than me one day. Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for being with me, and I hope I will meet you for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment, because this video is very important for the English learners. Alright, so see you for the next video. Bravo!